Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. This time, we're about to drop into the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia, baby. Get ready for bustling cities, pristine beaches, ancient temples, and enough delicious food to make your head spin. Buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. Yo, we're live from KL. Just landed, the jet lag's real, but the energy here is electric. First things first, grab a taxi, about an hour to the city center, and boom, we're checking into our hotel. 300 ringgit a night. That's a steal for this kind of comfort. Now, no time to waste. Petronas Towers. Gotta see these bad boys up close. Then we're diving straight into the Batu Caves. Ancient limestone caves turned temple, thousands of years old. The climb up those stairs is a workout, but trust me, the view from the top is mind-blowing. Grab some grub at Central Market, soak up the atmosphere, and let's plan tomorrow's attack. All right, round 2 in KL. We're starting the day at the iconic KL Tower, the best panoramic views of the city, hands down. Next, we're diving into the heart of it all, Bukit Bintang. This place is a sensory overload in the best way possible. Shopping, street art, crazy architecture, it's got it all. And when hunger strikes, we're making a beeline for Jalan Alor. This street food haven is where it's at. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Time to switch gears. We're jumping on a flight to Penang, a little island off the coast with a whole different vibe. First up, Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage site bursting with history and culture. Think colorful colonial buildings, street art galore, and some of the best street food in Malaysia. We're talking about the legendary char kway teow. You gotta try this stuff. After that, we're taking the funicular railway up to Penang Hill. The views from the top are unreal. And to finish off the day, we're visiting the Kek Lok Si Temple, one of the largest Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia. Day 4 in Penang, and we're switching gears from culture to adventure. We're heading to Penang National Park. Time to hike through the rainforest, spot some monkeys, and maybe even catch a glimpse of a flying lemur. After that workout, we're rewarding ourselves with some serious beach time at Batu Caves. Think white sand, crystal clear water, pure paradise. We'll soak up the sun, maybe do some water sports, and just chill. And for dinner, we're diving headfirst into the local cuisine. Penang is a foodie's paradise. Time for another change of scenery. We're hopping on a ferry to Langkawi, an archipelago known for its stunning beaches, clear waters, and duty-free shopping. First up, the Langkawi Sky Bridge. This curved pedestrian bridge offers jaw-dropping views of the islands and the ocean. After that adrenaline rush, we're heading to Pantai Chenang, the most popular beach in Langkawi. Time to relax, soak up the sun, and maybe do some swimming or jet skiing. And for the adventure junkies, we're checking out Underwater World Langkawi, home to thousands of marine creatures and a massive underwater tunnel. Day 6 in Langkawi, and we're diving into the island's natural wonders. The Kilim Karst Geoforest Park is calling. Think ancient limestone formations, mangrove forests, and hidden caves just waiting to be explored. We'll hop in a boat, cruise through the mangroves, and maybe even spot some eagles. And for a truly unique experience, we'll kayak through the caves. Talk about an Indiana Jones moment. After all that adventure, we're treating ourselves to a seafood feast. Langkawi is known for its fresh catches, and we're going all out. And just like that, it's time to say goodbye to paradise. We're catching a flight back to Kuala Lumpur, and let me tell you, it's bittersweet. This trip has been a whirlwind of adventure, culture, and delicious food. We'll spend the day exploring any spots we might have missed in KL, grabbing some last-minute souvenirs, and reflecting on all the incredible memories we've made. Malaysia, you've stolen a piece of our hearts. All right, guys, that wraps up our epic 7-day Malaysian adventure. We crammed a lot into a week, but trust me, this country has so much more to offer. Now, let's talk budget. For 2 people, you're looking at around 4,200 ringgit for accommodation, roughly 800 ringgit for domestic flights, maybe 1,400 ringgit for car rentals if you choose that, around 1,000 ringgit for food. And trust me, we ate well. And another 500 ringgit for activities. So, all in all, a pretty affordable trip for a lifetime of memories. When it comes to packing, light and breathable is key. Think t-shirts, shorts, and comfortable walking shoes. Don't forget a hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen. The Malaysian sun is no joke. The best time to visit is during the dry season, which runs from March to October. If you guys want to see more itineraries like this, hitting up different spots in Malaysia or exploring other Southeast Asian gems, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your adventure buddies, and subscribe for more travel madness. Until next time, Godspeed from VueX, folks.